Good evening everyone. Today I will show you how we code some 200 pips by using TOKMAT technique. Very simple. We have some SOPs that need to be respected, which are the rules. SOP for buy setup, support on H4 or D1, wait for price to come back to support, find TOKMAT ratio pattern in M1 or M5, wait for pullback to place buy entry. Okay, that are the rules. And TOKMAT buy pattern is very simple to understand. We need to have support on H4, which is here. Okay, and we go to 1 minute chart, wait for price to break first resistance, we wait for price to break second resistance, which means that this support is very strong, and then wait for price to pull back, which is in this area, okay, where we will place our buy entry, okay, buy order, and price will just skyrocket to 200 pips. So let's go in the chart, see how we code that 200 pips today. You will see here we have strong resistance. Okay, why it is a strong resistance? You will see that price went down to more than 290 pips. Okay, from here to here, 285 pips. So this means that this is a very strong resistance. So you will see that price yesterday broke that resistance, meaning that it becomes support. So RBS. So I will draw my resistance here, okay, which is here, and I will go into 1 minute chart to find TOKMAT Russia pattern. So that's the resistance becomes support. I will go in line chart. So price break first resistance, price break second resistance, and I will put a line here as well. Okay, so you will see that price break first resistance, price break second resistance, come back to this zone. This was our first buy order, and price went up to 70 pips, and price came back to the zone, okay, which is another pullback, okay, where we place again a buy order here, and price just skyrocket to nearly 200 pips, 198 pips. So very easy, very simple. Just stick to TOKMAT, understand what he taught us, and apply it in the chart. Everyone will be profitable and successful. Thank you very much.